Lucrative online business ideas. Home business articles May 1, 2020. The best thing about the approach of broadband web is the capacity to begin a business while never going out. Indeed, for each thought recorded underneath you can work from any place in the event that you have a. The best thing about the coming of broadband web is the capacity to begin a business while never going out. Indeed, for each thought recorded beneath you can work from any place on the off chance that you have a PC and web. You don't require that much cash to begin, simply time and ingenuity. Here are 8 incredible approaches to bring in cash with an online business. 1. Course creation. You don't need to be a guaranteed educator to encourage others what you know. You can essentially build up a how-to-bit-by-bit course utilizing a stage like teachable.com to convey the course. You can discover instant PLR courses that you can guarantee as your own and exchange under your business image. Numerous effective advertisers and online organizations are utilizing this procedure. 2. Member marketing. A partner sells others items, either physical, advanced, or both, and gets a commission installment. You can do this through a specialty blogger site and a focused on email list. On the off chance that you develop a large enough rundown, numerous 6 figures are conceivable as you become the go-to hotspot for your specialty. 3. Private label rights. Content creator. Other individuals who work online as bloggers frequently need more time to make all their own substance. That is the place you come in. In the event that you can either compose or recruit somebody to compose for you, you can make top-notch PLR substance, for example, articles, blog entries, ebooks, and more to offer to others to utilize. 4. Virtual assistants. Every business needs an associate or secretary. In case you're acceptable at client assistance, arranging, utilizing certain product programs, and other regulatory assignments, at that point you can do them from home online for your customers. You'll utilize the innovation accessible to play out the errands your customers need. 5. Life, health, or business coach. The instructing business is worthwhile. Numerous mentors make various 6 figures because of the capacity to aggregate mentor, utilizing innovation like jigsawbox.com to convey instructing on a one-to-numerous premise. In case you're proficient and like working straightforwardly with others, training may be an extraordinary vocation for you. 6. Visual designer. If you feel comfortable around visual communication programming, at that point you're in karma, since you can maintain an awesome business web-based planning sites, publicizing illustrations, book spreads, headers, and more from the solace of your home office. 7. Professional writer. Many shrewd individuals have smart thoughts, yet not sufficient opportunity to execute them all. In case you're acceptable at compassing, this is an extraordinary chance to utilize your specialty to help other people recount to their accounts and get paid. You can discover customers by means of hire writers, just as by systems administration in writer gatherings, blogging gatherings, and other compassing bunches on Facebook. 8. Online business manager. All organizations should be overseen. In case you're acceptable with venture the executives and comprehend what is engaged with business the board and are acceptable at setting up frameworks and procedures, at that point online business the board may be for you. It's very little not quite the same as dealing with a business. You'll simply need to make sense of the innovation expected to support your customers. There are actually several different ways to bring in cash on the web. These are only a couple of thoughts. You can likewise begin a retail location internet utilizing Amazon's fulfillment service, or you can begin a specialty YouTube channel and procure advertisement income. Whatever you choose to do to bring in cash on lean free web content, it just takes speculation and persistence to get it going, simply like some other sort of business.